Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to play NBA Live Mobile with friends. For joining of creating a league, first of all, open the NBA Live mobile app. Then launch the NBA Live mobile app on your mobile device and navigate to the league section. Now, look for the league section within the game interface. If your friends already have created a league, you can join it by searching for the league name or receiving an invitation. Then, create a league if none of your friends has created one. You can create your own. Now, invite your friends to join by sharing the league name or sending them invitations. Then participate in league versus league matches where your league competes against other leagues in the game. To communicate with friends, use the in-game chat features or external messaging platforms to communicate and coordinate with your friends for league activities. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.